Hey everyone, my name is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today I'm taking you inside the grand maritime retreat that is the 4-star Disney Newport Bay Club, Disneyland Paris. In this video, we're going to cover absolutely everything you need to know. We'll dive into the resort's impressive amenities, explore the dining options, take a tour of the accommodations, and wander through the stunning public spaces. I'll also be sharing my personal feedback from our stay to help you decide if this is the perfect home base for your next Parisian adventure. One of the biggest reasons to book your Disneyland Paris vacation with us at the Vacationeer is the incredible built-in value we pack into your stay. When you book a Disney resort in Paris through us, we can get your park tickets included for every single day of your visit, including both check-in and check-out days. Reach out today to your favorite Vacationeer advisor or simply click the link down in the description below to secure the absolute best value on your next Disney vacation. Now, before we tour the property, I wanted to talk a little bit about the hidden Disney storytelling that makes this resort so special. The entire concept behind the Newport Bay Club is that you're visiting the coastal New England cottage of a wealthy retired admiral. We don't actually know his name, but as you wander the halls, you learn his story through the antiquities and nautical relics he collected throughout his life and journeys abroad. Look closely around the public spaces and you'll find honorary mentions dedicated to the historical winners of America's Cup, celebrating the different countries that competed, and even the architecture carries hidden meaning. The distinct paint scheme on the exterior features a lower horizontal gray-blue line that intentionally signifies the ocean's water level. Out front, the massive bay signifies the open ocean, fully equipped with an iconic lighthouse. But the coastal charm doesn't stop at the water's edge. The reverse side of the resort is just as grand, featuring massive manicured lawns and a breathtaking entrance that welcomes you to a truly regal Disney stay. If you're ready for the grand tour, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the full resort guide for the Disney Newport Bay Club. As you walk through the front doors, you'll find yourself in the main lobby. This is the first official stop on property where you'll get checked in and collect those all-important park tickets. If you arrive early or want to play late on your checkout day, the main lobby also features a dedicated luggage desk that will happily store your bags securely so you can head straight to the turnstiles and maximize every single minute of your time in the parks. And if you booked a Compass Club room or suite, you get to bypass the main lines entirely and you'll head over to your own private check-in desk, which also functions as your dedicated concierge station throughout your stay. The unique Disney touches are absolutely everywhere. The lobby itself is intentionally designed to feel like the expansive front porch of the Admiral's estate, complete with a beautiful blue sky painted above you. And if you look down at the custom carpet, you'll spot nautical flags that actually spell out NBC for Newport Bay Club. The lobby also serves as a hub for daily character greetings. Throughout our stay, we were able to meet Disney characters here, all dressed in exclusive nautical-themed costumes. Connected to the lobby, you'll find the Bay Boutique, which is beautifully themed to look like the grand entryway into the Admiral's cottage. Inside, you'll find an assortment of Disneyland Paris logo wear, plush toys, and unique Newport Bay Club merchandise that you cannot buy anywhere else. They even sell those famously comfy hotel bathrobes, allowing you to take a piece of the resort luxury home with you to extend your bathrobe wearing tradition. The boutique is fully stocked with trading pins, mugs, games, and even a selection of snacks if you need a quick bite after traveling. There's also a Disney PhotoPass booth tucked inside to help you instantly preview and access the memories captured during your park days. And before you leave, make sure to check out one of my absolute favorite details in the entire shop, a stunning statue of Mickey himself manning the ship's wheel in his signature Nantucket themed outfit. Right next door to the boutique is the Little Kids Corner, a fantastic space specifically designed with the young travelers in mind. Inside, you'll find a variety of interactive crafts, coloring sheets, and even nautical origami, alongside a TV playing classic Disney entertainment. As an advisor, I love this addition for families. It's the perfect setup for check-in day. One parent can easily bring the kids over here to keep them happily entertained, while the other handles the check-in process at the desk completely stress-free. This is also where you can pick up the Discovery Quest information. This is a resort-wide scavenger hunt, and it's an interactive way to explore the property together on a relaxed afternoon. Down the hall from the lobby, you'll find the Captain's Quarters, the resort's signature lounge. Sticking true to the maritime theme, this lounge is divided into 3 distinct sections, just like the actual quarters of a ship's captain. One side you have a cozy work area, the opposite is the living quarters featuring a large flat panel TV and a massive welcome space to greet guests right in the center. This is your go-to hub for a quick bite during the day as well as into the evening, or belly up to the bar for a premium cocktail in a relaxed pub-style atmosphere. The room is filled with incredible details, including a model of one of the actual Disney family sailing yachts. But my favorite detail here is the domed light fixture overhead. It's intricately designed to represent the southern hemisphere. Now, if you're looking for the other half of the globe, you don't have to look very far because it's housed right across the hallway in the exclusive Compass Club Lounge. The Compass Club Lounge serves as the home base for any guests booked in a Compass Club room or suite. While the captain's quarters represents daytime sailing, this private sanctuary is beautifully designed to make you feel as though you're cruising smoothly through the night. And hanging directly behind the buffet is the second half of the globe art piece, this time representing the northern hemisphere. Having access to this lounge is easily the top reason to upgrade your stay at the Newport Bay Club, because the included amenities add incredible convenience and financial value to your vacation. Every morning you'll enjoy a relaxed premium buffet right here in the lounge, featuring hot breakfast favorites, French pastries, artisanal breads, juices, and fruit. After a busy morning walking in the parks, you can head back to the lounge for tea time. This daily spread features a delightful selection of complimentary sweet and savory treats, delicate finger sandwiches, and themed Disney pastries. Having a private, quiet space just 10 minutes walk from the park gates to grab a specialty espresso or cold soda to unwind is an absolute lifesaver. Moving down the grand staircase from the main lobby, you'll find yourself at the entrances of the resort's two premier dining venues. Both restaurants are intentionally designed to feel like open-air terraces facing the sea, but they offer two very different yet incredible ways to dine. First up on one side, you'll have Cape Cod. This is the resort's beloved buffet-style restaurant, and it's a fantastic option for families looking for variety and a relaxed atmosphere. In the morning, it hosts a massive breakfast buffet packed with fresh pastries, eggs, bacon, fruit, and everything you need to fuel up for a big park day. When the sun goes down, Cape Cod transforms to offer a spectacular dinner buffet. While it features an array of international dishes and crowd-pleasing options for the kids, the real star of the show here is the Mediterranean and seafood-inspired fare. From fresh fish to perfectly prepared seasonal dishes, it delivers a wonderful, hearty dining experience that everyone in the family will enjoy. On the opposite side sits the Yacht Club. If Cape Cod is your relaxed seaside boardwalk, the Yacht Club is your upscale, sophisticated dining room. This is a refined table service restaurant that offers a much quieter, more intimate atmosphere. The menu here focuses on premium, elegant, New England-inspired cuisine with a distinct French twist. It's the perfect spot on property for a date night and a celebratory family dinner. And for breakfast, the Yacht Club is often used as additional breakfast buffet featuring the same spread as the Cape Cod restaurant next door. And here's an advisor tip: because both of these venues are incredibly popular, especially with the proximity to the park, reservations fill up fast. And when you book with us at the Vacationeer, your advisor will help you navigate the dining windows so you don't miss out on these fantastic culinary experiences. Next, let's navigate over to the Nantucket Pool. The moment you walk into the indoor pavilion, your eyes are immediately drawn to a massive custom-built ship that appears to be jutting directly out into the water. It completely elevates the space and gives the kids a sense of high seas adventure before they even splash in. And if you head up the stairs onto the indoor ship, you'll find some great games for the family to hang out and dry off after a swim. The locker room also features sauna and steam rooms for those who want to add a bit of heat. Heading to the outdoor portion of the complex, which is open in the late spring and summer, the pool is beautifully nestled within one of the resort's lush manicured gardens. It's incredibly peaceful out here, surrounded by lounge chairs and beautiful coastal landscaping. The pool itself features a fantastic indoor to outdoor swim feature, allowing you to seamlessly glide through the water from the comfort of the heated indoor pavilion right out into the fresh air. And if your family plans to spend a lot of time here swimming and relaxing by the water, pay close attention to the rooms framing this area. The resort offers specific ground floor terrace room categories that surround this exact garden and pool space. Upgrading to a terrace room means you can walk right out of your patio doors and straight over to the pool. Now, for those who love to maintain their workout routine while traveling, the Newport Bay Club features a fully equipped fitness center. As you walk in, you're greeted by a massive wall of premium cardio equipment. Whether you want to log some miles on the treadmill, hop on the ellipticals, or choose between the seated stationary bikes or spin bike options, they have you covered. If strength training is more your jam, they have a free weight area with adjustable benches and a complete rack of dumbbells that go up to 20 kilograms, which is roughly 45 pounds for those of us tracking on a more conventional weight system. The gym also has a selection of Life Fitness selectorized machines to target major muscle groups. You'll find a dedicated chest press, shoulder press, leg press, and a diverging lat pull-down machine. There's also a convenient filtered water station, which is a great spot to refill bottles before heading into the park. And if your favorite way to stay active is a bit more scenic than the treadmill, the resort's position on Lake Disney offers one of the most peaceful settings on the whole entire property. Whether you're power walking to hit your step goal or just enjoying a quiet moment with a morning coffee, the lakeside path is a great addition you shouldn't skip. Now that we've explored the public spaces and world-class amenities, let's head into the wings to look at the accommodations. The Disney Newport Bay Club is massive, and it offers 2 primary levels of rooms to choose from depending on the style of vacation you want to create. First up are the superior rooms. This is the resort's entry-level category. These rooms are incredibly charming and are beautifully styled to look like the interior of a classic luxury cruise liner. You'll find beautiful nautical woodwork, subtle compass motifs, and delightful porthole mirrors framing your favorite Disney characters. They come in several different configurations, including dual queen layouts as well as family layouts with additional bedding, and offer either a quiet courtyard view or a stunning lake view. Now, if you want to elevate your stay with 5-star convenience, you'll want to step up to the Compass Club. Upgrading to this tier transitions you from standard resort rooms to the Admiral's private living quarters on the upper floors, complete with upgraded bedding, plush robes, and premium espresso machines. But the real magic of booking a Compass Club room or suite lies in the exclusive club privileges, including the exclusive check-in and the Compass Club lounge that we toured earlier. Now, this is just a quick snapshot of the room tiers on property. If you want to step completely inside these spaces and see the exact layouts, check out the storage and bathroom setups, we have fully filmed videos of all the categories on our channel for you to check out. Beyond the incredible family vacation amenities, the Disney Newport Bay Club is also home to one of the largest convention spaces in all of Europe. If you're planning a corporate retreat, a massive industry conference, grand gala, or even a beautiful destination wedding, this property features a state-of-the-art conference center with its own dedicated entrance. We're talking about over 50,000 square feet of versatile event space, including massive divisible ballrooms, multiple high-tech meeting rooms, and elegant pre-function areas that can be completely customized to fit your group's exact needs. The real magic of hosting an event here is the seamless integration of Disney's world-class hospitality, combined with the fact that your attendees are just 10-minute stroll away from the parks. And because this is a premier European convention destination, these massive spaces book out years in advance. If you want to secure the perfect dates, the ideal room blocks for your attendees, and exclusive group rates, you need to act early. Reach out to us at the Vacationeer today. Our dedicated group travel experts can handle the entire contract, coordinate your group's park tickets and dining, and ensure your next corporate event or large conference is completely frictionless from start to finish. Lastly, I wanted to cover one of the biggest questions we get as advisors, and that is how easy it is to reach the hotel properties from the airport. For our stay, we took the TGV high-speed train directly from CDG Airport, and it was an absolute breeze. From the moment we cleared passport control and grabbed our bags, we were into the resort in just under an hour. The reason this works so well is that there's a direct line that takes you from the airport to Marne-la-Vallée-Chessy Station in just as little as 10 to 12 minutes. Once you step off the train, the station is quite literally at the front gates of the park, and the Newport Bay Club is an easy 10-minute walk from the platform to the lobby. It's the most efficient way to start your vacation, and my pro tip here would be to pick a train departure with a little extra time. Grab a Starbucks inside the station and then head down to the train platform early so you can find space on the luggage rack and take a seat. We tried to grab the earliest time available at the ticket kiosk, which was leaving in about 5 minutes, and we had to stand with our luggage during the short train ride. Now, you could take an Uber or private transfer, but those usually take around 40 to 50 minutes and, depending on traffic, can cost just as much as the faster options. And when you're looking to head back to the airport from the resort, there are also transfers that can be booked with the concierge team for your scheduled flight. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the magnificent Disney Newport Bay Club. If you're ready to experience this beautiful sanctuary for yourself, remember that booking your stay with us at the Vacationeer means you're getting those extra days of park tickets automatically included, plus the expert personalized planning to ensure every single reservation is perfectly in place. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the link down in the description to begin planning your next Parisian adventure with the Vacationeer. And don't forget to check out the other in-depth room tours right here on the channel to pick the perfect layout for your family. And before we head out, I wanted to say a massive heartfelt thank you to Damien and Margot. This entire production and incredible filming trip simply wouldn't have happened without their dedication and hard work behind the scenes to make it a reality. They are the true magic makers, and this video wouldn't be here without them. Until next time, Au revoir, and I'll see you in the parks.